This is Marwa. Marwa loves shouting in class and blaming others for her mistakes. One day, the teacher gave the class some homework. Marwa forgot to do it. It's not my fault, she said. The dog ate it. Ate-o. The class giggled. Next day, Marwa's drawing was a mess. It's because the pencil's broken, she said angrily. She never asked for help. She just shouted louder. One day, they had a puzzle in class. The puzzle was tricky, Marwa shouted, and blamed her friend. It's your fault. I don't understand. But the pieces still didn't fit. Huh? Her friend calmly asked the teacher for help. The teacher showed them the trick, and in seconds, the puzzle was solved. Because they asked for help. Marwa looked surprised. She learned something big that day. Blaming others doesn't fix the problem. Asking for help does. The end.